Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to customize Windows 11 taskbar like Mac, and it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To give your Windows 11 taskbar a Mac-like appearance, follow these steps. Now, let's hide the Windows taskbar, access the settings, personalization, taskbar, then choose automatically hide the taskbar from the taskbar behaviors drop-down menu. Let's apply a Mac OS style wallpaper. Use a Mac OS inspired wallpaper, which you can find through the link provided in the video description. Follow the installation instructions. Choose your language. And click Finish. Now, let's remove default widgets. Right-click on the Welcome widget, choose Variants, and choose the option marked with a dot to delete it. Repeat this process for the clock and any other default widgets. Now, let's organize desktop icons. Right-click on your desktop, go to View, and ensure Show Desktop Icons is enabled. Now, let's configure Rainmeter skins. In your Downloads folder, right-click on it, then choose Extract All, and then hit Extract. After extracting, open the folder, choose the necessary folders, and copy them. Open a new folder window, navigate to the Documents, locate the Rainmeter folder, go to the Skins section, and paste the copied files. Minimize the window, use the Show Hidden Icons on the taskbar to open Rainmeter, and refresh all if the new skins don't show up. Now, let's load the macOS style taskbar and dock. Open Rainmeter, find the macOS taskbar skin, and choose Load. Now, navigate to the menu to set up the dock settings. Following these steps will transform your Windows 11 taskbar into a Mac-style dock. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.